Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to iron a leather skirt. Start by turning the skirt inside out and laying it flat on a padded surface. Place a clean cotton pressing cloth over the leather to protect it. Set your iron to the lowest heat with no steam, then gently glide the iron, ensuring continuous motion. Focus on small sections and recheck the hide often to avoid shine or warp. Begin with small areas near seams to practice stroke and pressure. Always keep the iron moving and limit contact to brief passes to prevent scorching. If a wrinkle resists, lift the cloth and smooth the leather with your hand before another pass. For stubborn creases, slightly increase distance rather than heat, and finish by letting the skirt cool fully on a flat surface to set the shape evenly and reduce new creases. After ironing, allow the leather to rest for a few hours away from direct heat or sunlight. Apply a small amount of leather conditioner with a soft cloth, working it in with circular motions to restore suppleness. Wipe away excess and let the skirt sit overnight on a wide hanger so it regains natural drape. This helps the fabric settle and keeps seams from puckering, ensuring a smooth, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.